In today's video, I will walk you through how to share chart setup on Tradingview. To begin, head over to Tradingview and sign into your account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Chart section by clicking on Chart from the top menu. This will open the chart workspace where you can access the chart setup you want to share. After your chart is displayed and ready, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll find a small camera icon. This icon provides several options for sharing your chart setup. Go ahead and click the camera icon to open the available sharing options. From here, you can choose the method that works best for you. If you'd like to share your chart as an image file, select the Download Image option. This will save a copy of the chart image to your device. Once the image has been downloaded, you can use it wherever you need, whether that's attaching it to a message, adding it to a document, or sharing it through another platform. Another option available is Copy Image. If you choose this option, the chart image will be copied directly to your clipboard. After copying the image, you can paste it into a document, chat message, or any other location that supports pasted images. This allows you to quickly share the chart without first saving it as a file. If you prefer to share a link instead of an image, click the option that allows you to copy a direct link to your chart setup. Once the link has been copied, you can send it to others so they can access the chart online. This option is useful when you want someone to view the chart through a shared link, rather than receiving a static image. You may also notice the option to share directly through Twitter. To do this, click Tweet Image. After selecting this option, create your message and proceed with sharing the chart image through your Twitter account. All of these sharing options are available from the same camera icon in the upper right corner of the chart screen. Whether you choose to download an image, copy an image, share a direct link, or post the chart through Twitter, the process starts from that menu. Once you've selected your preferred sharing method and completed the action, your chart setup will be ready to share with others. And that's all there is to it. Open your chart, click the camera icon, choose your preferred sharing option, and share your chart setup using the method that best fits your needs. Thank you for watching.